Hotjar Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Hotjar and recommended alternatives are in the description. Let's dive straight in. Hotjar is an analytics and feedback tool that provides deep insights into how users interact with your website. For dropshippers, understanding your customers' behavior on your e-commerce site is crucial for improving conversions and optimizing your sales funnel. Hotjar offers features like heat maps, session recordings, and surveys, allowing you to analyze visitor behavior and make data-driven decisions to enhance your store's performance. Who is it for? Hotjar is ideal for dropshippers who want to gain a deeper understanding of their website's user experience and optimize it for higher conversions. Whether you're tracking how users move through your site, understanding where they drop off, or collecting feedback to improve product offerings, Hotjar gives you the tools to do it. Key features include heat maps to visualize user clicks, scrolls, and movements, session recordings to see real-time user behavior, feedback polls to collect customer insights, and surveys to gather detailed opinions about their experience. It also offers conversion funnels to track where customers drop out of your sales process. Strengths: one of Hotjar's biggest strengths is its ability to provide qualitative insights through visual tools. The heat maps are a game changer for understanding where users click the most or what they ignore. Session recordings allow you to watch real user behavior, making it easier to pinpoint where your funnel might be leaking. The feedback and survey tools are also useful for gathering direct customer insights that can help refine your product offerings or site design. Hotjar is also easy to install, with a simple script to add to your site, making it beginner-friendly. Weaknesses: while Hotjar is powerful, it doesn't offer as deep of a quantitative analysis as some other tools like Google Analytics. The free plan has limited features, and to unlock the full potential, you need to opt for one of the paid plans. Some users also report that the session recordings can be overwhelming, especially on busy e-commerce sites with lots of traffic. Final verdict: Hotjar is an invaluable tool for dropshippers looking to optimize their websites and improve conversions. Its heat maps, session recordings, and feedback tools offer clear insights into user behavior, making it easier to identify pain points and improve the customer experience. While it may not provide the same level of advanced analytics as some other tools, its visual insights and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice for dropshippers focused on improving their site's performance and increasing sales. If you're serious about understanding your customer's journey and optimizing your store, Hotjar is definitely worth considering.